market just had one of its largest daily point losses since its existence, and in my portfolio, I've taken a bunch of L's recently, including big Chinese businesses like Alibaba, Tencent, and more. I've been getting a lot of questions about what I invest in, so today I want to reveal my complete portfolio, including stocks, cash, and some more stocks. So yeah, let's actually get started and talk about my single stock investment account, starting with value investors' favorite, Alibaba. It's my largest position as of recording. I have about 19,800 francs invested in it. I first bought around 160 shares in Q1 of 2022, 1 year after Charlie Munger invested in it. Portfolio was completely over-concentrated at that time, but nonetheless, I bought some more shares in Q3 of 2023. Their free cash flow has been steady in the last couple of years, even amidst the China depression. God forbid China begins to roll again. They are trading at around 12 times price to free cash flow. So going back to previous highs in terms of free cash flow would put them at around 8 times free cash flow. Ridiculous. I have a bunch of other China bets that are also depressed since 2021. They include Tencent, Baidu, JD, and Haidilao. They are basically a basket bet on the Chinese economy not dying out. Haidilao is my latest China bet, where the Wall Street Journal just did a YouTube video about their amazing brand. It's a pretty crazy growth story at a discount. I own both Haidilao and Super High International. I am very happy getting the 5% dividend while the business is growing like there is no tomorrow. Second on the list, there are my coal investments that just went catastrophically wrong. Buy high, sell low, I guess. I get very emotional when Monish talks, and my stock buying gets out of hand. But other than that, Core Natural right now is probably having a net profit of 25% of the stock price, and coal prices are depressed. So high cost coal mines will go out of business, and it is very difficult to reopen a coal mine. So prices will rise again, and while waiting, you get 25% of your money back. I would say that's a pretty good deal, but I keep 10% of my cash around just if something really bad happens, so I can't double down right now. Then we have an auto parts stock that just got hammered with the tariffs. It's a pretty leveraged play. Company has like 2 billion in debt, but it is turning around right now, for better or for worse. In the long run, leaders have to act rationally or they will get kicked out of office. I'm confident on that one, but it could go catastrophically wrong. It makes up 11.5% of my portfolio, so it's a pretty significant part of my net worth. Then I've got about 10% in two financial companies. PayPal buying back 10% of the company every year and growing with the new CEO Alex Chris, and Nubank growing and growing some more in Brazil. Lastly, I have my two Turkey bets. Anadolu Efes, their Russian business just got seized by the Russian government. I don't know how we feel about that. And then the last, but one of the greatest businesses I have, Tab Airports. It's trading at 15 times free cash flow. Oh, and by the way, they've just built an airport this year, so free cash flow is going to grow like crazy. It's just a great business to be in. Go visit the Almaty airport if you want to. That brings my total investment portfolio to 93,838 francs, and my total losses to 2,200 Swiss francs, which is not bad, but it's down quite a bit from its all-time high at 110,000, literally like right before April 2nd. What happened on April 2nd? A lot of that has to do with my unrealized losses in the coal bets and Anadolu Efes. But then again, since I plan to hold these for a long time, I don't really worry about it. My investment philosophy going forward is that these companies will return to their fair value over time, especially because I'm invested in undervalued companies. Historically, they have recovered. I do want to keep more cash on the sidelines, like 20%, and keep buying individual names, since I like to research them and I learn a lot while doing it. And honestly, it's just a lot of fun. One of the reasons I've done this video is because you can do one of these websites too, for free. I put the link in the description, aloisgraber.com/ti. I was thinking of doing more videos like this with one, so if you are interested, like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with your friends. All the best, Alois.